Okay. So the price of the shirts was reduced from $20 to $14. What was the percent decrease? All right. So again, we do a percent increase, decrease, and there is a formula that goes with that. So the formula is simply the difference. And when I say difference, I mean when you subtract the two numbers divided by the original. Original meaning the first number or the number they started with. All right, so the difference divided by the original amount. And some people at the end say times 100, right? I just moved the decimal twice, but that's the same thing. So, but in this case, I'll say times 100. All right. All right, so the difference, so the two numbers that we have 20 and 14. So 20 minus 14 over the original amount. All right, so reduce from 20 to 14. So it started with $20. All right, so 20. All right, so here we go, equals, what's 20 minus 14? That is going to give me 6 over the original amount, which is 20. All right, now when I do this, now I have to divide. And we divide by going top in, bottom out. All right, so when I say top in, bottom out, the top numerator goes inside the house. The bottom denominator goes outside of the house. All right, so I'll break my decimal. So how many times does 6 go into, 20 go into 6? 0 times. So I'll put imaginary 0. How many times 20 go into 60? 3 times. All right, so that gives me 60. And that's going to give me 0. All right. Boom. All right, so when I say, so the answer would be 0.3 or 0.30. But when I say multiply by 100, I'm simply saying move the decimal twice to the right. So if I move it twice to the right, boom, boom, that's going to give me 30%. All right, so I can leave it as, I can put 30%. I can put 0.3. I could put 0.30, 0.30, or 0.3. All these are the same thing. All right, so just depending on the answer choice, they'll let you know what they want.